Good afternoon, YouTube. How's everybody doing, family, on this Monday? Hopefully, everybody had a wonderfully blessed weekend. Most importantly, hopefully, you guys had a safe weekend, guys. Chilling with your loved ones or just doing whatever it was that you did this weekend. This is your boy, Jaime G. And I'm about to drew up it like it's hot, baby. Break you guys off the latest and greatest in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. On my channel, guys, obviously, I talk about Doge and the overall crypto markets. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can help me out with that YouTube algo, guys, so we can spread the love and get this channel across the world, right? So we can help spread the word on Doge and the overall crypto markets to help adoption, right, guys? Anyways, help me out by smashing that like button, maybe leave a comment down below, and possibly subscribing to the channel and turn that notification bell to all. But if you don't, it's all good. I just appreciate you stopping by my channel as a viewer and checking me out. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, your boy is ready. Are you guys ready? Now, let's dive right into the markets and see what's crackling. All right, guys. Bitcoin is down 0.99% for the day. We're currently sitting at 43,274 with 63 cents. Now, guys, the overall markets are a little mixed. There's more red than there is green, right, guys? But nonetheless, there is a little bit of green, right? Not too much, but there is a little bit. The overall sentiment is blood on the streets, right? There's more red than green, though. Why? Because obviously, guys, because Bitcoin is down, right? We're struggling to stay above. We keep bouncing between 42 and 43,000, right? We're struggling, right? We need to get at least above 45,500, right? It's a very crucial level of resistance that we need to pass through. But I don't think the bull runs over. I think we're just consolidating, and then we're going to just blast off to the moon. All right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's dive into Dogecoin. All right, we currently ranked number 10. We're currently sitting at 20 cents, guys. We are down 1.84% for the day. Our 24-hour low was 20 cents, or 0.2007, and our 24-hour high was 0.2093, almost 21 cents. Market cap is at 26.76 billion. Man, our volume, guys, is stupid, ridiculously low. It is at 861.11 million, guys. It has not been this low in forever. It just seems like nobody's interested or wanting to buy Doge right now, right? We need buying pressure, right? And buying pressure obviously creates volume, therefore helps push the price of Doge up. But I'll keep it real. Things aren't looking too good as far as volume goes, right? We have a lot of things going for us, a lot of fundamentals, so on and so forth, right, guys? But we need people to step in, right, and create buying pressure, right? Those are the two key factors, along with fundamentals. But two key important factors, rather, is one, we need more volume, and two, we need Bitcoin to blast to the moon, right? We need Bitcoin to push up aggressively, a lot, if we want Dogecoin to push up as well, because Dogecoin basically is at the hip with Bitcoin. All right, enough of the stats now. Let's get into the charts real quick, and then we'll get into some news here. All right, guys, so your boy looks at the daily chart, right? That's what this is, okay? Not much has changed. The level of support is at 19 cents, as you can see the white line down below, right, guys? That is our level of support. Now, the level of resistance, guys, in my opinion, has changed, right? Because you see this is the 10-day moving average, okay, guys? And it keeps slanting down, and we keep slanting down with it. Keeps going down, and we keep going down with it, right? And we can't break past it, as you can see. So, in my opinion, it is sitting at 21 cents, guys. It's technically at 0.2123, so that's 21 cents, right, guys? So, in my opinion, that is the level of resistance, okay, guys, is at the 21 cents, okay? So 21 cents is resistance, 19 cents is support. We're going to consolidate right here in this little tight range. Basically, that's what, that's 2 cents plus and minus, right, between 19 and 21 cents, right? We're going to consolidate, you know what I mean, up and down, and then it will hopefully break to the upside, right? Now, when? I don't know, right? We do need Bitcoin, though, to continue to aggressively push up to help the price of Doge. All right, guys, that's enough said about that. Now, let's dive into some articles here. Now, it says Dogecoin network update to boost mainstream adoption, trigger next Doge rally. Now, Now, this is out of FX, right? Or FXS, guys. Now, it says Dogecoin can now be spent at 1,704 merchants, nearly 3 times of last year. Co-founder Billy Marcus agrees that if all major miners and node operators update to version 1.14.4, fees can be lowered by default. And then Dogecoin ranks in the top 10 cryptocurrencies mentioned the most on Twitter. Social dominance of the meme coin increases, right? Granted, guys, we were, for a while there, we were on the top 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, and now we're at 10. At least we're on the top 10 still, guys, but we have gone from number 5 all the way down to number 10, guys. Now it says Dogecoin update to reduce fees likely to trigger the breakout in Doge. Now it says Dogecoin Core has been regularly updating over the past month. In August, a new version of the Dogecoin Core, the 1.14.4, was released to improve performance and lower recommended fees. The recommended update is not installed by all node operators. Its installation would enable future fee reductions in Doge network. Now, Billy Marcus, the co-founder of Dogecoin, tweeted about this recently, right? And then Elon Musk tweeted back saying super important for Doge fees to drop to make things like buying movie tickets viable, right? And then Billy Marcus, who is Shitobi Nakamoto, said, he agrees, right? Then it says, once major miners update to the latest versions, transaction fees is expected to reduce 1,000x for relay and 100x for mining. This is first step towards lowering the recommended fee for Doge. Another network adaptation is expected to follow. Right, guys? And then it says, with regular updates in the ecosystem, the altcoins utility is on the rise. Nearly 600 merchants Doge accept Doge payments in January 2020. The number has climbed up to 1,704. All right, guys. Now, and it talks about here how we're ranked number 10, so on and so forth, right? You can dive deeper into this article if you want to. I want to get to the main important article of the day, right, which is this one right here. Now, it says Dogecoin is the best investment in 2021. Here's why. And it's a breakdown of 5 reasons. Okay, and we're going to break down these 5 reasons, get into these 5 reasons. Now, it says, at present time, Dogecoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies and everyone's favorite cryptocurrency and everyone's favorite, including Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. There are many reasons why you might want to invest in Dogecoin right now. Many people think that they have to be smart investors with a lot of money to invest in crypto, but in reality, all you need is a little bit of common sense and research. First, you need to understand what Dogecoin is and how to mine it. Well, not necessarily how to mine it, guys, unless you are. Right now, this kind of gives a breakdown of when it was. I'm going to get into the 5 reasons, okay, guys? Now, here's number 1. Now, it says Dogecoin scales relatively faster than Bitcoin. Now, it says Dogecoin is built on a basic technology associated with cryptocurrencies that allow it to verify transactions and prevent double spending attempts by users. Through this process, it provides secure access for the sending and receiving of money without intermediaries. Right. And then now here's the second reason. Now, it says big names in the industry promote Dogecoin. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has taken on to Dogecoin along with celebrities like Snoop, Paris Hilton. You have Mark Cuban, right? They didn't put it in there, right? Who are some of the celebrities, right? Now, here's the third reason. Now, it says Dogecoin's developers team is back on the stage, right? After like 6 years, right? You have Vitalik Buterin. You have a representative for Elon on there, right? And then you have Billy Marcus, right? And then you have Nicholas Riccoli or something like that. I can't remember how to say his name, right? Now, it says the cryptocurrency has pretty much as great as the developer team behind it. The more dynamic the core developer team is, the better probability it's going to perform in the long term. That's because they can do enhancements that make the cryptocurrency more versatile to the change business sector needs. They can likewise deal with issues like security, which is basic to the drawn-out development of any cryptocurrency. Now, here's the fourth reason. Dogecoin's inflationary nature is an advance. Says the entire concept behind crypto was to supplant fiat with decentralized money. Bitcoin, the first crypto, fizzled out on this front. Its purpose is currently shifted towards being a store of significant worth. The reason why Bitcoin and others are falling flat on this front is that they are deflationary. Bitcoin, for example, has covered stocks of 21 million. As more individuals purchase and hold it, the sum left for extraordinary exchanges turns out to be ever scant. There are various reasons why deflationary currencies may never function as currencies, but Dogecoin's inflationary nature makes it one of the best cryptos of the long run. For those of you that don't know, right, inflationary means, guys, that there is it can continuously be mined and it continues to be printed like money, if you will, right? Like the dollars, like how what the feds are doing now. Deflationary is there is a set amount, right? There's 21 million bitcoins that will be mined eventually. After those 21 million are mined, therefore there will be no more. That's the difference between deflationary and inflationary, for those of you that don't know. Now here's the fifth reason and final reason. It says Dogecoin is now a first tier cryptocurrency. It says where cryptocurrencies position in market capitalization ranks matter a lot. It makes crypto appealing to new investors hoping to wager available. Today, Dogecoin is an elite level cryptocurrency. It ranks 10th by market cap ranking with a market capitalization of 27 billion. It says Dogecoin is currently worth equivalent to the top biotech organizers like GSX. Such metrics make anybody getting into market today need to treat Dogecoin in a serious way, not only with extensive liquidity, but it will likewise drive up its value force going into what's to come. This in itself is an excellent reason to hold Dogecoin today, fully expecting more gains over the long term. And I agree with every single one of these 5 reasons, right, guys? I mean, there's plenty, obviously, of other reasons, right? We have, like in the article prior to this, right, the devs, I mean, they're working on faster transaction speeds, cheaper cost, right? There's over 1,700 companies that now accept it as a form of payment, right? Dogecoin isn't going anywhere, guys, for those haters that think that there's no use case for it and so on and so forth, right? All right, now that's what I had for you guys as far as Doge goes, right? Now let's get into just a little bit of overall crypto news really quick, right, guys? Now, right here, it says more than $130 billion pours into crypto market in 24 hours despite China ban. Guys, that is huge. Even though, regardless that there was a major dip, right, in the overall crypto markets, why, I don't know, because people still believe in this stupid FUD out of China. But nonetheless, $133 billion was still going into crypto. What does that mean, right? That people are starting to brush off this FUD from China, which is important, right? Because it's not going anywhere, right? Now, here's another important article. It says India has 2 times more crypto users than the US, the UK, and Russia combined, right, guys? So obviously they're saying, right, a lot of people in India are trading crypto, right? So that just goes to show you, though, right, everywhere in the world, right, people are trading crypto, hodling crypto. Crypto is not going anywhere, guys. It is here to stay, like the internet. You know what I mean? That's why I keep pounding the table and telling you guys. All right, let's get to the next important news. It says addresses with at least 0.1 Bitcoin soars to a 4-month high. Is Bitcoin price rebounding imminent? Now, guys, this is huge, right? Now, a lot of people might think, 0.1, that's not a lot of Bitcoin, right? But for some people, such as myself or other individuals, 0.1 is a lot of Bitcoin, right, guys? And to just be holding that much is doing a lot better than the person that doesn't have 0.1 Bitcoin, right? So it just goes to show you that people are continuously hodling regardless of the dips, regardless of the FUD. People are continuously seeing Bitcoin as a form of asset to invest in, right? A hedge against the dollar, against gold, or etc., right? Especially millennials, right? Now, another article here, right? And we're going to close out here in like 1 minute. It says teens in India are becoming the world's next big crypto fans, right? I just shared with you briefly, guys, that India was 2 times, they are trading crypto and investing in crypto 2 times more than the US and the UK and the Russia. Now you have the following generation coming up, right? And that they're going to want to be investing, right? So that all of this, guys, is just to show you the importance of crypto, that it's not going anywhere, guys. And those of us that choose to continue to hodl for the long term, 5 to 10 years, we're going to make some life-changing wealth, man, for us and our loved ones. You know what I mean? So, all right, now I'm going to finish out with this article right here. Now, it says, could a Bitcoin bull flag leave bears blindsided? Well, I hope so. It says, what is a bull flag? Bitcoin price pattern targets new all-time highs, right? The psychological behind the chart pattern breakout, right? Then it gives you a breakout right here showing you the flag, the bull flag, right, guys? In other words, that just means that the price is going to shoot up, right? It's just another indicator, right, that Bitcoin is going to continue to push up in this bull run and that it ain't over, guys. Well, this is what your boy had for you, man. And hopefully it was informative. Thank you if you stayed with me from the beginning to the end. There's a lot of juicy, good stuff in here, man, to keep you guys updated on what's going on. You guys stay safe and stay blessed until tomorrow. Your boy is out. Peace.